Right, we've got a further maths algebra problem to do with solving polynomials and roots of equations, and it's relatively straightforward. This one, let's have a look. This is from an 8XL, the specimen paper, core paper 2. It's question 1, so um, it's um, it's kind of straightforward, really. The roots of the equation, this cubic here, alpha, beta, and gamma. Without solving the equation, find the value of this expression 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta plus 1 over gamma. Okay, well, the first thing we can do here really is we can, if we multiply out this polynomial, this cubic, with these roots, x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma, then we get this expression here. So we can compare coefficients here, can't we? So alpha beta plus gamma is equal to 8. Alpha beta plus gamma alpha is going to be equal to 28. That's the coefficient of x there. And minus alpha beta gamma is the constant. So alpha beta gamma is going to be equal to 32. Right, so armed with that, we're asked in part 1 here to find the value of that. Well, if we notice that that is equal to this, okay, once we've put it over a common denominator, we get this expression here, and we've got those values there, 28 and 32, that's equal to 7/8. Right, the other ones are in a similar vein, slightly more difficult perhaps. Finding the value of that. Right, so if we multiply out this expression, we're going to get, well, we're going to get this, essentially, once we've simplified it. Alpha beta gamma plus 2 into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha plus 4 into alpha plus gamma plus 8. And yeah, we know all those bits, don't we? 32 there, and so there's going to be 2 times 28 for that, 4 times 8 for that, plus a constant of 8. It's going to evaluate to 128. Right, and also alpha squared plus beta squared plus gamma squared. Right, it's getting the right sort of trick for this. It shouldn't take too much imagination to see that if you actually square alpha plus beta plus gamma, you're going to get this expression, but with some other bits as well. In fact, once we've simplified it, it's going to be equal to that. All right, so in other words, this, which is 8 squared, 8 times 8, is going to be equal to the thing we want, plus 2 times this we know, which is 28 from up here. Okay, so if we just reorganize that, make that explicit in the expression we want to find, then that's going to give us alpha squared plus beta squared plus gamma squared equals 8. So I think that's probably self-explanatory. So I hope that's been useful and helpful. And thanks for listening.